Hi guys, today we have some not review but first look and opening of this Olight I1R2 EOS. This is pretty little flashlight, keychain size, which is rechargeable by USB. Uh, let's run down some specs. It has two modes: high with 150 lumens, working time is 15 minutes, and the low with 5 lumens, working 6 hours. It has IPX8, water resistant, and weighs about 13.5 grams or 0.45 ounces. So it's pretty cool light. I know it because I have exact same one right here on my car's key. Let's open it and see what we got. Just little pull tab. Sorry, it is windy outside right now, so you may hear some wind noises, but it is what it is. So we have black flashlight again. If you unscrew all the time, it has USB Type-C port. I wish that it was Type-C, but it is what it is again. Little light indicator. When you are charging, it is red, and when fully charged, I don't remember, it turns green or just turns off. So we have O-ring here, rubber O-ring, some sealing for waterproofing, and action is right here. When you twist it, first time it is low setting here, 5 lumens, and now it is brighter, 150 lumens. I know it is daytime and you can't see exact amount of light, but this is not review, this is just opening the box and quickly running down on its specs and visuals. If you like to see more detailed review on this little cool flashlight, I can make it, so please write down on the comments. Also, we have some instructions or user manual and pretty little charging cable branded with Olight. And cool feature about this USB is it has magnets on both sides, so you can do like this and it make it simple, keep it simple, keep it little in your pocket or in your bag. You will always have your charging cable with you. So guys, it was it. Again, this is not a review, this is just quick show up what it is, how it comes, how it looks. And if you want to see more about this flashlight, testing underwater drop test or how it really shines in the dark environment, please write it down in the comments and I'll make it. If you like this video or this kind of videos, reviews on flashlights, knives, some cool stuff, outdoor or indoor activity stuff, please consider subscribe to my channel and see you on the next time.